Welcome to our post-game press conference. Our player of the game is Jericho Cruz, joined by Coach Leo Austria of San Miguel. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach, first back-to-back win sa series na ito. What is it that that was working the last game and today na your players were able to buy into and focus on doing despite the resistance na pinakita ng Ginebra?
Yeah, tama ka. No? This is our first back-to-back wins against in the series. And talo, panalo. And then I told the boys na we have to win because this game 5 is really pivotal. Okay, and usually nananalo ng game 5, malaki ang chances to get into the finals. But still have a lot of work because alam natin, ang kalaban naman natin ay si Never Say Die. So we're expecting na in the next game, it will be a lot of energy that will i-apply nila and focus. Just like what happened on game 3 at saka nung isang game namin, talagang out-hustled nila kami. And it happens na na-address namin sa mga players and then we have a bad start in the first quarter and then mga easy ball, 50-50, napupunta sa kanila. But we're able to recover, thank God, dahil player, they realize na this game is really important for us.
Thank you, Coach. Jericho, you were just mentioning about the second group taking pride na talunin kung ano man yung ipakita o yung production ng second group ng kabilang team. But tonight, hindi nyo lang tinaling second group nila, but you played a significant role in leading this victory for your team. Just talk more about that embracing that role.
Well, unang-una, kinapalan ko lang yung mukha ko. So, yun ang, umaga, lahat ng depensa nakafocus din kay Junmar. So palaging na-open ako, so I have to take my shots eh. Kasi kung papasok yan, siyempre iwan ako nikot sa court. Pag hindi na-shoot yan, siyempre, next man up eh. Pero yun na, kami araw-araw kami din nagpa-practice, nag-shooting. So kumpiyansa ako sa mga tira na binibigay sa akin ng Ginebra.